Okay, so back to this. Now, I was hoping I was going to finish on the last one, but we had a problem, so we had to fix that. So I have fixed it, and I'm going to go through. So I had a lot of problems with it. I'm not going to lie. But in the end, it was quite simple. So what we've done is this. Okay, so we've added a new input action called boost. Okay, so that's just going to settings, project settings, inputs, and here I've just created, and it's on the right mouse button, and it's just called boost. Okay, don't remember if we went over that in the last video or not. And then what I'm doing, I've got a branch that is checking to see if flying is true, because we only want to boost when we're flying. All right, and then I've got this set velocity. Now all you need to do in order to get that is just type in set velocity, and then scroll down. No, sorry, that's wrong. You need to drag it out from the character movement first, and then type get velocity. Okay, and you will see it as a variable down here, get velocity. And then what we want to do is we want to get the actor's forward vector, because he always wants to be boosting forward, and then we've got a vector times float, and that is dictating the boost, the amount of boost. So you can change that number to change the amount of boost. And then we set glide to be true. We have a delay for 1.5, and this is for the animation, for the actual glide. We can hit compile. And then if we hit E, and then we can boost glide, like that, okay? And then while we're doing that, he changes his animation to glide as well. Okay, so this is starting to come on really nice. We've got a bit more time in this video, so I thought we'd just squash some more bugs. So we still have this problem that if I attack and then try and take off, the timing's off. So what we can do is go into where we take off. So transition to flying. And what we want to do, we want to check to see if we can transition and do all that. But we also want to check. So we'll, if you just hold down B and then click, left click, you'll get a branch. So if that's true, go to there. And then we also want to check to see if we're attacking, because if we're attacking, we don't want to transition. So are we attacking on the ground? If that is true, if that's false, then go on to do that. Okay, and then we can do the same here. If we're, it doesn't really matter as much in the air, but let's try that now. So I'm attacking, and I can't transition. I've got to wait until I'm finished. Oh, okay. So that doesn't work, though. So now I can't transition at all. So why is that? Why is that? Attack on the ground is false. Then go into your transition. Transition to flying. So what's the problem? What is the problem? So press E. Press E again. So it works. It's fine. Attack once, then press E. That's fine. Also that problem. So, but if I press it a bunch of times, it seems to break it. I can't transition. Wonder why that is. So let's have a look. Just close that. So if I just press it once, it's fine. But let's see, because it's this flip-flop, right? So it can transition is false. So attack on ground is false. And how does it start out on? Attack on ground starts out false, so that's fine. Maybe we do have to Control CV and place this down here, just so that it's got this down here as well, so that when we're transitioning, Then press E. Yeah, okay, so that seems to have fixed it. Let's just go and spaff that button loads. And then press E. And it works. All right, cool. So it was that. We just needed to put in the check over there. All right, so we've got a bit of time. We might as well do them fireballs as well. So let's just move that over there. Now, fireball attack is here. So we only want to be able to, we want to come out here and we want to do once. And the thing that's going to reset it is at the end. So after all that's done, just plug that into the reset and hit compile. And now when we're in the air, we have to wait until the end of the animation before we can spaff another attack, which is the case, right? Which is great. Okay, so that's about it for this Dragon series. Hope you've had fun with it. If you've got any suggestions of anything else that you'd like to learn about, just let me know. I'm focusing really on character creation and AI. So anything where it uses character movement. That's the sort of stuff that I'm going to be doing these series on. The next series is going to be a humanoid, but he's going to be part root motion, part in place. We're going to set up some combos. We're going to set up some magic attacks, and basically we're going to make a more Dark Souls-y sort of thing where we have stamina and everything pulls from that stamina. Now, I'm not 100% sure if we're going to do rolls because I don't have any roll animations that I can just easily get hold of. But we'll see if we can get hold of some of those. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this. And I'll see you in the next series.